Good morning, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell that you can have the latest upload from me. All right guys, so what's going on in this container here? We actually growing. This is the yam container that we're growing yam into, but I also have some seedlings set here that I'm going to be transplanting, which is some black eyed peas and some squash. But this is the yam I started indoors, and now the weather is changed, so I bring it outside. So as you see, it's doing really well. It's definitely doing well. So what I'm gonna do, when I remove these plants, these seedlings, I'm gonna fold this container right to the top with soil, because the yam need room to grow. So right now it's young and it's now pushing out. If you notice, the leaf them is now pushing out the leaf and it's running. So yes, this is the update on the